What does it mean to design something well if it's built to kill? We celebrate elegant design, user-centered thinking, and efficiency. But what happens when these principles are applied to death itself? Death as a design problem. The guillotine was not a medieval torture device. It was a product of the Enlightenment. Dr. Joseph Ignace Guillotine, a physician and advocate, wasn't trying to increase suffering. He was trying to eliminate it. With my machine, he argued, the condemned shall have their heads cut off in the twinkling of an eye. Beheading, until then, was done by axe or sword. Unreliable, sometimes requiring multiple blows. Torture, not precision. The guillotine promised a solution. Mechanical, consistent, and instant. It was built as progress, even merciful. Susan Neiman says, even cruelty longs for efficiency. Engineers of the time treated it like any other design problem. How do we ensure instant unconsciousness and minimal pain? Constraints. Cheap to build, easy to operate, reusable. Solution. Gravity-assisted blade, lunette, and tilting plank. It was humane engineering for inhumane ends. Part 2. Designing death machines. The guillotine wasn't the first, and it wasn't the last. Across history, humans have engineered many devices to end life. The Iron Maiden was mythical, but symbolic. Hanging gallows with standardized trapdoors, firing squads organized by geometry, the electric chair, engineered by Edison's team as a PR move against Tesla, the gas chamber, first for prisoners, now for pigs. And today, we still engineer death. Gas chambers kill thousands of pigs daily. CO2 causes panic and burning lungs before suffocation. Euthanasia pods now exist. They're sleek, quiet, button-operated. Military weapons evolve for precision, minimizing collateral damage, though civilians still die. Drone strikes, AI-assisted target recognition, and lethal autonomous weapons are coded for death. Even medicine participates. Think of euthanasia drugs developed for peaceful endings, lethal injection cocktails, which are often flawed and painful in practice, and organ harvesting protocols from executed prisoners. Part 3. When ethics meets engineering. This isn't about bad engineers. It's about system design. Engineering is neutral. Its morality lies in the intent, and that is shaped by power. As Hannah Arendt warned, the sad truth is that most evil is done by people who never make up their minds to be good or evil. Sometimes design is coldly utilitarian. Sometimes it's driven by empathy. Ironically, even the guillotine was born of compassion, but the outcome is still death. Consider veganism. We design entire systems to efficiently kill animals. Bolt guns for cows. Hatchery macerators for male chicks. Controlled atmosphere stunning. This is just assuming that people are actually following these regulations and recommended practices, but that's a whole other can of worms. But just like the guillotine, these systems were designed to ease pain, not question why it's happening at all. Part 4. When good design is a problem. Dieter Rams says, good design is as little design as possible. But what if the best design is the one that we shouldn't build at all? In Nazi Germany, engineers were celebrated for their logistics. Efficient rail schedules for transporting Jews, shower rooms designed for mass gassing, medical experiments systematized. Engineers weren't monsters, they were compartmentalized. They saw systems, not people. Albert Speer admitted, I saw the structures, not the suffering. Even today, algorithms in warfare are optimized to target, not to understand. Part 5. Final reflection. Designers often ask, who is this for? What does it solve? What are the unintended consequences? But death devices, from gas chambers to guillotines, rarely center on the victim. They center the user, the executioner, the government, the military. So here's the haunting truth. Sometimes we solve the wrong problem. Instead of asking, how can we kill humanely, we should be asking, why are we killing at all? The opposite of cruelty is not kindness, it is empathy. So next time you marvel at a clever design, ask yourself, what problem is it solving? Who asked for this to be built? And is the elegance of the solution hiding the horror of the question? Like the guillotine, we sometimes engineer with the best of intentions and still create something horrific. I used to think engineering was only about solving problems, but I've come to realize that what you choose to build says everything about what you believe should exist. So let's be people of compassion, not just precision.